In this video, I'm going to show you how the sunlight feature works in Google Earth. So the sunlight feature, you can go ahead and just click the little sun button up here in the toolbar, and then what you can do is you're going to drag the slider to show when the sun is up at different times, right? So what we're going to want to do is pick our time zone, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and do Eastern Standard Time, North America, and then just do this, and then I'll go and I'll see. Alright, so Eastern Standard Time is roughly like right here in this whole area, and I'm going to go and I'm going to make it be 8 a.m. They're getting sunrise all the way down to, yep, right now 8 o'clock within these dates, right? So it usually gets dark about like 4 or so, right? So there you go. That's really how you do it. This is good if you want to see potential, if you want to try to estimate shade or just kind of know where the sun is at in a certain part of the world at your time, which is kind of cool. But anyhow, thanks for watching.